and welcome to a new video. In this video I'm going to first of all say hello and welcome back if you've been waiting a while for my next videos. A couple of people wrote to me and said, Alex, where are you? And what happened to you? And I'm still here, I'm still around, but I have moved house, so now I live in Pescabel. We bought a little house, a little unit, and I'm on the floor right now because we have some new members in our family. I didn't have kids or anything. I had some rabbits. We bought some rabbits. So that's them over there. Kuro is the little black one, and Kuro means black in Japanese, and Aragon is this little white one. So they don't really like being picked up that much. I don't think any bunnies really like being handled. If we have pellets, they usually come to us, but I'm going to try and include them in lots of the videos, the recipe videos. So yeah, they are very, very cute and fluffy, and they've become the love of our lives. And so we're very happy that we've moved house and we're in this big space that can accommodate them, and we've got a little kind of courtyard out there which they can run around in and jump around and dig and do all the things rabbits don't get up to. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make a really easy, really simple potato salad. It's getting into summer now, so, well, it's spring here, but it's soon going to be summer, and we've had some warm days, and all I've really felt like eating are just some really tasty salads. And this is a super quick salad to make. It's something that's perfect to bring to a barbecue, or if you're going to a friend's place, you can just pop it in a bowl and take it with you. And it's really filling and really delicious, and this is everything you're going to need to make it. So the first thing you will need is 6 boiled potatoes chopped up into large chunks. I peeled mine and cut them into chunks and then boiled them, and I boiled them for about 10 minutes. You don't want them too soft because then they'll get super mushy. And you'll also need a bunch of fresh dill and a spring onion. And as always, I'll leave all of the measurements in the description below, so that'll all be written out for you and easy to follow. You'll also need half a cup of sunflower seeds that have been soaking in boiling water for about half an hour, as well as half a cup of pickled brine, pickle juice, whatever it's called, which is going to be delicious in the sauce, as well as 2 pickles. And completely optional, but you can add some sauerkraut if you like as well. And the last thing, which is very important, is potato that has been saved and put aside, because that's what you're going to use for the sauce. So to make the sauce for the potato salad, you're going to add that medium potato that you put aside from before with the sunflower seeds and the pickled brine. And you're going to put that into your blender, and I'm using a NutriBullet here because the NutriBullet, in my opinion, is incredible and makes the sauce super smooth. And it just comes out really creamy, and it's just such a great consistency, and makes the salad taste really delicious. Next, you're going to add the potatoes into a bowl, as well as everything else. So the chopped dill, the chopped spring onion, salt and pepper, and you're going to pour the sauce over the top. And you're going to stir it around until it's all combined. Try to be really gentle when you stir as well, because if you're too harsh, you might crush the potatoes and it'll turn into more of a mush. So thanks for watching this video. Kuro would like to say goodbye. Goodbye. He's eating some pellets right now. That's the only reason he's sitting up high here and not wriggling away. He's been very, very good. So thank you for watching. I know I don't upload as often as I should, but I'm going to start uploading some more videos now that it's daylight saving time, and it's going to be a lot lighter. And I'm still figuring out the lighting and everything and where I'm going to put the camera. So thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a beautiful day. Bye.